In this video, I'll show you how to use Windows 11 on your Android smartphone without an emulator. Watch this video till the end and then let's begin. The first step is to open Play Store and download this app named Cloud PC. Once you download it, open this app. Now it has multiple plans. Select the free trial, click on free trial, sign in with your email ID and subscribe to free trial. Now once you have started the trial version, go to cloud and then click on connect. This will run Windows 11 on your smartphone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.